Hi everyone, Paul Morbid here, Morbid Team Entertainment. So, I'm considering with my first experimental horror film in the Philippines of shooting my first film and my second one back to back, or at least a good part of it. This is, of course, to save time and money on the productions. So it seems like what my wife are going to have to do and with the crew is take a vacation to certain areas, and that's the best way to take care of it. We can rent a van that'll have a driver, and that's the way it's done here in the Philippines for a small price. That way the cast and the crew can all pack in there and travel to the filming location. And so they'll be completely refreshed and relaxed. So there are so many filming locations in the Philippines that are so beautiful, and there are some that are really horrific and creepy that I'm not, I don't think so, going to be able to just film in one location. Although that would save a lot of money, these horrific locations in the Philippines are just are too tempting. So it looks like that's what we're going to have to do. And film those first two productions back to back. I think that's the way it's going to have to be done. And if you're going to film something like this in the Philippines, that'd be a good way to do it also. Alright, well, I hope this video helps. And I'm looking forward to get everything started and for my first two productions, 2023 and beyond, in the Philippine Islands for experimental horror films of Morbid Team Entertainment. Do subscribe to my YouTube channel, put a like on my videos. Thanks a lot, and bye-bye.